Now, how many grams of dextrose are there in 500 mils of dextrose 5% solution? Right. One of the keys to this question here is to realize that 1 mil of this solution is equivalent to, or 1 mil weighs 1 gram. Right. There's an equivalence between them. So let's get 1% of 500 mils first. So to get 1%, we divide 500 by 100, right? And cancel there and there. We can see it goes in 100 divides into 500 5 times. So that's 5 mils. So 1%, we divide it by 100, that gets us 1% of something. 1% equals 5 mils. That's equivalent to 5 grams. But we want 5%. So to go from 1% to 5%, we multiply by 5, so we must multiply here by 5, right? And we get 5% equals 25 grams. So there's 25 grams of dextrose in a 500 ml 5% solution. Is that right? Double check it. Right, 1% is 5 mils, same as 5 grams. And if 1% is 5, well, 5 of them is 25. That's it.